Hi friends, this is a fuel cell stack assembly and its demonstration. You can see the assembly has been made by myself in our lab, and this is a short stack PEM fuel cell stack with the graphitic bipolar plates. And here we have used our own self-made MEA. Its active area is about 28 centimeters square. The end plates of this short stack is aluminum, anodized aluminum. The current collectors are the nickel coated copper. This intended power for this short stack is about 35 watt. The maximum it can go up to 150 or 200 watts. This short stack has been assembled for our own company project, and the further it may be upgraded into the product level. Here the reasonable amount of torque has been given to the torque. The other stack, what you are saying now, is a air breathing stack. Here again, the graphite bipolar plates are used. The active area of the MEA is about 2 centimeters square. The MEAs are made in our lab itself, and you can see the 16 number of outer bolts has been used for the assembly. And now here in this air breathing stack, the oxygen has been taken from the atmospheric air. The stack, it takes the oxygen through the atmospheric air. It's the reason why it's called as a air breathing stack. And here the MEA has been stuck into the bipolar plates using the silicon gum. And the after sticking it has to be cured for again the 24 hours. So after assembling of all the bipolar plates and MEA, the bolts has been aligned for the particular torque, and finally the end plate acrylic has been placed, and the it is tightened using the hand, and the reasonable amount of torque has been given. And finally the air breathing stack is ready for the testing and working. So in this way, we you could assemble a stack, and this is a final stack. Thanks for watching. Thank you.